Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am getting ready to go to a pajama party. I decided to bring out one of my old Morphe palettes. I normally use the neutral palettes out of it, but I thought about wearing the red, this one right here. So I'm thinking about doing a neutral eye with a red eyeliner and a red lip, and I think that'll go together. I hope. Be interested in how this look is going to turn out, then just keep on watching. Fenty Beauty moisturizer that has SPF in it. Getting ready to do my brows. CoverGirl brow. The color dark brown. Typically, I would just comb them up. This is the LA colors just to do the end of the brow to give it more of an arch. I'm going to brush them. See the difference? This is Born This Way in the color Butterscotch. It's going to highlight the under eye. Alright, you're going to use your regular foundation to clean up the top part of your brow. Alright, a light transition color. This is the Tartelette Toasted palette by Tarte. I use one of the neutral shades just to help with the transition of the colors. Get a darker color just to do the corner. Like go upwards. Blend everything. The NYX Professional Makeup Epic Eyeliner. I'm going to use this mascara. Let's be creative. So I'm going to get a little bit of this red, y'all. I'm going to use my black eyeliner by Sephora. Lash primer. And you're going to try to get these lashes together. It's really good for your bottom lashes. See my bottom lashes? Just a little bit of sparkle. Too much, just a little bit. Alright guys, I'm going to use my NARS foundation. My handy dandy fan, and it'll help speed up the process. Time to blend.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la.
This is Ruby Woo.
La la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la.
Something. I think it's cute.
See the blaze.
Merry Christmas and have a happy New Year.
La 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. La 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. La 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 la. While I tell
Yeah, it's a special.
Thank you, Frank.
We have our second place winner here, Bianca, with her spectacular gingerbread house. Came out fantastic.